What up, guys? Cesar here. We're gonna set up a new board.
I wonder who wrote it. Oh shit. Oh, take, pray them niggas go away. Oh, we sell the clowns around it, look like circus show. Like, this is not the album either, these are just the throwaways. This shit's still so cold when it drops, it's gonna be a motherfucking snow day.
You're gonna be riding some silver thunders, hollow lights, hollow axle, hollow kingpin, Spitfire wheels with underlay bearings. You want it? Take it. I don't know what you're gonna do with them, but whatever.
Always give back.
Always give back. So you can meet local skate shops. Wait, local skate shops? Give back to the kids. My man, bro. I don't care if my grip tape job is like hella ass, I just want to fucking skate.
Yeah, what are you talking about? You think this is satisfying?
I like it, dude. I think it's my favorite part about like setting up a board, just like filing it down.
Nah, it's cutting the grip, bro.
But, oh, quick tip here. To avoid grip thumb, sand it.
I do that shit too, yeah.
Since we're halfway through the process of setting it up, we're gonna answer some questions. Got one here from my friend Sarah, and she asked, "Who's your best friend?"
Me, bitch. What? It's not even a question. Just kidding, man.
Honestly,
she's known you longer.
it has to be that Steez ass guy.
All right, what's next?
We got another one. Says, "How's your love life?"
Oh, it's sad. That's what it is. Just kidding, nah, that's mine.
Insert sad music right now.
In the arms of the angel, fly away.
All right. Hey, we're gonna speed this up. So I'm gonna snap my finger, and when I'm done, then his board's gonna be set up already.
Wow!
All right, so setup is done. We got the real board, Thunder trucks, underlay bearings, Spitfire wheels, Thunder hardware, and the Guy Mariano Grizzly grip tape. Now let's go skate.
Why that boy just wanna play on me? Like I don't keep that K on me. You was the one, keep that bet on me. Killing my combo so fatally. Yeah. Ballin' like I am BoJack. Sometimes I think too much, wish that I think less. When you lie to me, that is not English. I don't understand. I must admit that you was the best. Fuck the rest. I don't see nobody, yeah, fuck the rest. I can't stop, no, I don't fuck with rest. Yeah, on the real, wish I thought of you less. On the real, wish I fucked you less. Yeah, thought you was real, cause the things you said. Thought you was real, cause you ain't invade my checks. Thought you was my future, but you're my ex. Nowadays, got a side chick on side chick. They keep hacking my iPhone, about to get a sidekick. I don't like to stand up, told that girl to ride it. Murakami, buy it, go yard, buy it. Philly Lim, buy it. Rick Owens, buy it. Off-white, buy it. Even though I don't got buy it. Feet long, tatted on me, if you thought I was lying. Girl, you need a back, or you need some try.
Alright, so skate park is hella crowded with like little kids, and it's a small park, so it's easily crowded. So now we're about to hit up T-Pumps to get boba tea, and we're also going to the mall because this man needs a new phone. Look at this thing. Okay, that's my phone, but this one, James is fuck, my man. Yeah, we need to get a new phone. He's gonna get an iPhone, and we're gonna get some food. So yeah.
I fucked her in a SLS, you fucked her in a high-end. Ain't nothing wrong with that, I'm just a little more high-end. Nowadays, got a side chick on side chick. They keep hacking my iPhone, about to get a sidekick. I don't like to stand
Alright, you do yours and then I'll do
ASMR, dude. Ready?
If you thought I was fine.
So me and CJ turned out we like the tea a little too much.
These things going down quick.
So we're gonna go buy another 2 more. You gonna get a new flavor or same?
Same flavor. This is smacking.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a new flavor. I mean, I like it, but
I'm gonna ask for like extra boba.
do it. The line got longer, but the thing is, we're gonna wait for it because we fucking like their tea a little too much. But hey, it's whatever.
Yeah.
So you prefer coconut mango over Thai?
I don't know. They're so good. They're
is
both
pretty
hella
good.
good. That's a half cap flip, not a fade flip. Ooh, you got that. Okay.
Thank you.
Alright guys, you guys have a good one, right?
Secure the bag.
Secure the
No,
bag. Let me
biggie.
see that. Let me see that. Oh shit.
Best
Wait, what
food-
are we getting at Best Buy? Just the case?
The case, and I'll see how we'll do the math, and we might get a light panel for like the upcoming videos. So we're gonna be starting making more bangers, dude.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
we need like many bangers.
Many bangers. Damn. They're too expensive. This one's too small, but it's a good price. I hope my keyboard's quickie. No, I got like that cheap if basically that's the same as any of these, then just get this.
Wet installation.
For real though, whose idea was pink lemonade? That makes no sense. Lemons ain't pink.
Cam's still going in.
Oh yeah.
You gonna finish him though? Is that the question?
I don't know. Probably not.
So you're wasting my money?
No.
Dude, let's answer some questions.
Okay.
Honda Fit or 4Runner?
Forerunner.
Why?
I'm not Danny Johnson.
No,
It's not that.
it's not that.
So I was talking to the camera earlier when there's nobody else out here, and I was like, "Who even came up with pink lemonade? Like, it makes no sense." Last time I checked, lemons ain't pink, bro. You know, like it's.
Isn't it
it's a
strawberries
wor-
though?
No, it's worse than lemonade.
But I thought it was like made out of strawberries or some
No,
shit.
that's strawberry lemonade, but pink lemonade is just lemonade that's pink, but it's more watered down, less sweet. It's like horrible. Fresh potatoes.
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 Tats?
Wait, what's it in Spanish?
Oh. Yo! 3. Oh shoot. Hit that dab.
Yo, no way. My package came. Hold up. It seems as if somebody's already opened it. I can only think of one thing that is in this long of a box. Must be a skateboard. Definitely not. Definitely not a skateboard. It's just paper. Just kidding. I bought a new keyboard for my computer. Get rid of this boring old crap. Alright, Alright, and with that over, thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you already haven't. I hope you enjoyed. Nothing else to say, so see you guys. Peace.